In the digital shadows, a new breed of fraudster has emerged in 2025, weaving fear into the fibers of their deception. Dubbed the Angriest scammers, these con artists exploit fury as their primary tool, leaving victims trembling and vulnerable. The landscape of scamming has shifted, and now, rather than charm, it's intimidation that leads the charge. Meet the Phantom Fury, an infamous figure notorious for terrifying voice messages that rattle even the strongest individuals. His tactics weren't merely about financial gain. They revolved around a calculated anger that demanded compliance. One victim recalled, "Every time I hesitated, he hurled insults that made me question my own instincts." And the chilling audio clips of his rage echoed like warning bells, unveiling a sinister strategy designed to instill panic. Under the heavy weight of his fury, standing your ground becomes increasingly difficult. Who hasn't felt the urge to comply when confronted with explosive emotion? Transitioning to our next character, we encounter the Crypto Crusher, who specializes in targeting hopeful crypto traders. He'd promised to rectify their financial woes, all while managing to create an atmosphere laden with pressure. If anyone dared to delay, his fury erupted like a volcano. Think of the tantrums of a child, but amplified through a digital medium, making the stakes feel impossibly high. Audio recordings reveal the chaos of his demands: send it now, or kiss your investment goodbye. It is within these moments of anger that he reveals his true self, a man overwhelmed by desperation, showing the cracks in his carefully constructed facade. Awareness is key in navigating this tumultuous world. Scammers are harnessing the power of fear. Their anger becomes a weapon that undermines logical thinking. Interestingly, with every loud outburst they let slip, there are hidden weaknesses revealed. Investigators are hot on their trail, committed to turning the tide, while these scammers wield intimidation like a sword. It's critical to remember that justice is relentless. So what about the moments of silence? The scams lurking in quiet corners, where verbal fury isn't the method, but the intent, a silence so potent it can be more dangerous than any shout. Such is the intricate dance of deception in our digital age.